Let's find out if this heavy-duty Cowboy Outlaw machine can sew thin leather. This is about 1/2 inch leather. And check this out. This is about 6 ounces. It's two tiny little 3.5 ounces pieces of leather glued together. So let's run it through the machine. I find that if you put the needle down, you can get more accuracy, and then just crank as if you would just normally would, but just crank consistently, up and down consistently. Let's turn it around. I could take my calipers to this and do an exact stitch, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and estimate. But this is a quick demonstration to see if this can be done. This really thin, I'm doing this quickly for video purposes. Let me zoom in on the camera a little bit so the camera can see that, but I think we're okay. I use one of those groove tools to help me stay on track here. Is it necessary? Not really. It's not really necessary, but it helps me. If I'm not focused and don't crank down consistently, it will miss a stitch. That's the importance of really focusing on what you're doing. So we'll go ahead and do a little back stitch here. Not sure where it's at, maybe there. It's kind of a wide back stitch, but again, demonstration purposes. And look at that. Let's take a look at it. That is not bad. Let's take a look at the back. Pretty nice for a machine that's designed to do something about that thick. Can it be done? Yes, it can, ladies and gentlemen. That's really not bad at all. Just to show you some of the possibilities of this machine, the Cowboy Outlaw. Quickly, how to thread. Spool comes up this thread up here. We can goes through the very back hole, out this way, through the back, pressing this against this secondary knob. On this primary knob, I go around the back. Let's see here. I go around the back and back this way. Back through this pin right here of this fin, back around this fin, through here, back down here, then right in there. This pretty much goes right into its needle bar, and then right down from the needle from left to right, this way, back through the presser foot. So some samples of different thicknesses. This is kind of a Western look that I created, kind of a rough stitch, burned it a little bit. 2 pieces of thin leather, more thin leather. This is a tighter stitch. I opened up the stitch. This is something that, again, thicker. This is kind of in between this thickness and that thickness. So it's a pretty versatile machine, folks. There you have it.